Welcome to our YouTube channel Codex Learning. In this channel, we are going to explore more on data analytics, data science, and data engineering domains. Initially, we will start with Python programming and we'll see each topic one by one. Let's go with hands-on first, and so that it will be easy to understand the theory part. Okay, if you're watching in the laptop, kindly open the new browser and let me share my screen as well so it will be easier for you as well. Yeah, open the Google Chrome and type Google Colab. So this is Google Colab. I already typed in. Just click on the first link. You will get Google Colab is opening now. So since I already opened it, you will land on this page. See, and click Find to New Notebook. So why we are using Google Colab? It is easy to run our Python script and mainly no need to install it. It will available in the browser itself and only need is internet. First, we will learn basic concepts using this and we'll see other tools and installation steps and differentiation of each tool in upcoming videos. Okay, let's write our first Python program to get feel of Python. Okay, let's, okay, this is our code run. We can tell simply print and hello world. To run the script, you can click this button. It's a simple program that simple displays hello world on the screen. Yeah, congratulations. You have successfully run your first program. This is simple, right? Yes, Python code is easy to learn and read and write. Also, this is highly readable. That is why it is using in all kind of platforms. Mostly, we also one more thing. Why we need to learn programming language? Yes, similar to the language to English, programming is also a language to interact with computers. Yes, you got it right? Yeah. Hope you learn simple print statement. We'll see other basic concepts in upcoming video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.